Patriot, numbered to 50. And what do we got? Oh, wow, nice. Really popular right now. Rob Gronkowski, freshman fabric. Nice, huge jersey there again. And that is numbered 43 out of 50. It's a very nice one. Alright, Jason Campbell, Chris Ivory, New Generation, numbered to 999. Andre Johnson, Greg Olson, and Adrian Peterson. Darren McFadden, Vernon Davis, oops, there's our hit, David Garrard, Ahmad Bradshaw, Miles Austin, and a hit, wow. It's my first one-of-one that I've ever pulled. And let's see, wow, couldn't ask for anything better. Buccaneers. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous one-of-one NFL patch of Mike Williams of the Buccaneers. That is amazing. Wow, you've seen it here. A one-of-one pulled from this. Definitely lives up to everything that I've said. Beautiful, beautiful card. Wow. Frank Gore. Here's another hit. Dominique Franks of the Falcons, autographed. Sticker numbered to 50, 45 out of 50. I'm still kind of shaking of that one-of-one there. Terrell Owens, Tony Gonzalez, and Reggie Wayne. That is awesome. Alright, and Donovan McNabb. Certified potential of Mike Williams. Number to 999. Matt Ryan, Ronnie Brown, and Felix Jones. So the Buccaneers are getting some great cards out of this one. Golly. Sean Green, Michael Crabtree, whoops, there's the hit. Devin Hester, Brandon Pettigrew, Randy Moss, Denver Bronco, numbered out of 699, Eric Decker. Oh my goodness. Dual jersey autographed, orange and blue jerseys, autographed for Eric Decker, freshman fabric, numbered to 699, 303 out of 699. Beautiful. Awesome. All right.